Welcome back to our Vireo discussion. We're talking about Vireo, the online platform to help manage your job search. And today we're going to talk about Cloud Sync. So come on, let's take a look. What Cloud Sync can do for us with Vireo. I've landed on the site. I'm using a new plugin I found for Chrome that really does a lot of really cool stuff with simulating mobile devices. It's still just running through Chrome, but it just looks a lot better for the demo. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into our platform. You see, I've cleared all the data from Vireo. If you didn't know, there's a cool setting within Vireo to actually clear your data and a lot of other things. So you can actually clear data. You can clear data on your cloud as well. But let's jump into our companies. So let's say we want to add in a company here, and I'm going to just pop in a company name, Riverside Financial Group, and I'm going to leave everything else the same, and I'm just going to hit create. So cool. Now we've successfully created a company. Not too much to see on our homepage still or on our pipeline because those are events and roles and things like that. But we do have company data now. Awesome. Now let's say we want to switch devices. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna engage the enable sync. Now again, I'm already a user of Vireo. Surprise, right? Because I'm the founder and principal engineer. But I've enabled this, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account there. And again, I've already got that all aligned. We can do another video maybe of that at another point in time. We'll see that we're syncing now, and in just a couple of moments, there. And now we're synced. So great. So let's go ahead and grab another device and take a look to see what that might look like if we sign into that device and try to bring that data down. We're going to use my local Edge browser to simulate a secondary device. Now you can try this as well on a secondary physical device. It should work the same way. So I can go into my dashboard here, just a review. We did have our company here for Riverstone Financial Group that we entered in on the mobile device. And we're logged in here. I can show that we're signed in to that device. So we're synced to the cloud. So we can verify that the local instance of Edge here has no companies in it. So let's take a look to see what happens when we sign in. I'm going to enable sync. Again, for first-time viewers, you'll see this where you can enter in, apply for an invitation code and get an invitation code approved, etc., and try this sync as well on your own devices. I'm already in the beta program. I'm going to sign in with the same Google account that I signed in before, and I've signed in before, so Google is not prompting me with which account. And then blammo, like almost instantaneously now, we have this Riverstone Financial Group as part of our local data as well. Some kind of fun is we can go back to the mobile device now, and I can hit edit on this, and we'll say that we're going to add in an HTTPS:// We're going to add in a fictitious website here as well to kind of further with the idea that this data should be syncable and the industry is going to be finance. And we're going to hit update here. And now within a moment or two, blink, it automatically synced over to the other browser. This is a great way to continue your work. This is all the data on the device is local to the device, and it is synchronized then if you enable Cloud Sync, so you can work across multiple devices. What else can we do with this sync data? Let's add some events here as well. We're going to say we're going to apply to a role as an example. Company, we're going to go ahead and look for our Riverstone Financial Group. Again, this is that idea where these fields in Vireo will either search or create. So pretty cool. Our role is going to be software engineer. So we'll go next. We'll do a, it occurred today, we'll say on the 29th when I'm recording this. It was an outbound, it was email. Let's say we applied through Indeed, right? And then we have some other notes. So do next here and follow up. Well, sure. In 3 business days, remind me, right? Again, I could pick whichever reminder I want to, but I'm going to go ahead and create the event. And now that we've synced our mobile device, we can see that we also have the same amount of, if I go to home, we can see now our data is synced nicely across this. Again, kind of some extra fun that comes along with data sync as well is the expand state on these different activities. If I create another another event. So let's say for our company, go to our company here. We have different activities we can do for this company. We'll go ahead and a recruiter outreach as like a follow-up as an example. It is this Riverstone Financial Group already selected for us. And since there's only the one role in the system, Vireo will automatically set that for us as well. I can go next. I can say it was outbound. Maybe it was an email that I sent to a recruiter outreach. Hey, what's going on with this position? I can hit next. And then I'm not going to create another reminder. I'm just going to create the event. Now we can see that our mobile device has synced this other event as well. And kind of for fun, we can expand just one of these. Again, you can expand all of them if you'd like, but I like to just kind of illustrate that if I expand the one of those and we go back and look at the desktop view, we'll see that the one has been expanded. You can go back home here and see that the one has been expanded in the desktop view, but this other one is not. I can expand this one as well and flip back over to the mobile view. And we do see that has expanded as well. So great fun. There's also some interesting things with settings that also carry over as well. I can change the side that the menu appears if I happen to be right or left-handed. And I want to be a little easier with the link there that syncs. And then almost instantaneously, it pops up over here on the left-hand side of the desktop. So pretty cool. I doubt anyone's really going to use the application with two side-by-side like that, but just kind of demoing the cloud sync, the synchronization, how fast this occurs across devices.